Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So right now we're actually at Gong Cha, which is like a little boba shop just opened up here in San Antonio, kind of like on the west side, kind of in the Alamo Ranch area, but supporting local businesses, and that's what it's all about. So that's why we're here today. They're graciously letting us use their lot, which is pretty big. We got all kinds of great cars here. Have a twin turbo Huracan sitting over there next to a Ferrari 599. So we're definitely gonna go check out those first. But then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what else is here because it's a pretty good turnout already. So let's get to checking out the cars. So this Huracan is twin turbo. It's the LP610-4. So it's all-wheel drive, which is the perfect setup you want. But I mean, obviously, it has way more than that horsepower now. But also, we got Eric from Rev Your Life TV.
What's up, y'all?
Definitely go check out his channel. He has that sick Nissan GTR over here. So you guys have definitely seen that. So definitely go down, check out his stuff. It's gonna be in the description down below.
TV.
So go check out his channel. He has all kinds of cool stuff.
Thank you.
Especially if you love Nissan GTRs. All right guys, so this Viper ACR is insane. What you notice right there in the middle, that's all the like little duct work for the NOS. Like this V10 has NOS, like this is insane. It is the ACR, so it has that giant carbon fiber wing in the back. This is like the crazy version of the Viper, but holy cow, this thing is insane. But also, whenever you go around to the back, there's those beautiful NOS bottles just subtly chilling right there in the back. Like, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this thing because I think it is insane. And that engine bay looks so beautiful. This one still looks really good too, so I'm just saying, like, this is amazing. guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right there. It's always good to hear a good gas-powered car. Like electric, no. It's all about gas. Sounds so much better. But it's gonna wrap up the video right here. If you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Let me know what your favorite car was, because there's all kinds of great cars right here, a lot of great people, and it's all about the community, and it was so amazing. Also check out San Antonio Coffee and Octane. Like they got so many awesome people in the group. It's gonna be like down in the description down below, so definitely go check out that page. These meets are awesome. It's actually an amazing community, and that's what it should be about. Not about people trying to show off money or anything. It's about the people in the community, because that's what matters. But like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.